Hi guys, and welcome to Edition Caravan Centre at Canwell. My name is Henry, and today I'm going to be taking you through our Sterling Europa 550 Dealer Special Coastline. It is a 2010 Caravan, and it is a part exchange to clear as well, so there is no warranty implied or given with this caravan. However, it is in very nice condition. All your standard amenities on this side. No marks or blemishes, anything like that. It is a single axle caravan. It's in very good condition for saying its age. Does have an external gas barbecue point. If I could get at it, there we go. And you've got some exterior access lockers. Okay, then I'll show you inside. So inside the caravan, you've got your standard lounge at the front, which does convert into a double bed or used as two large singles. You've got an extendable table and some drawer space down below, and some sockets. There is also storage underneath both beds. You've got movable lighting, overhead storage compartments, and a few more lights on this side as well. Next to the door, you have a blind here and your main control panel. Then you have your heating systems just here, with again a little bit more storage. And there is also a point here that pulls down to have a bracket for a television. And you can see some points there for a television, as well as some sockets. On the kitchen side, you have a three-way fridge freezer, got a sink and a 3-burner gas hob with an electric plate as well, which is part of the grill and oven system. And some more storage just here. Pulls out as well. Very convenient. Got some storage up top. Oops. Went out my fingers there. And a Sanyo microwave. Also got a fan here. Nice. Bit of natural light coming in. You've got a fixed bed, which again you do have some storage underneath with your pull-out table there as well. You have some more overhead storage compartments, which are quite spacious as well. I've got a curtain to cut off this part of the caravan, and then some wardrobe space on here with point to hang up your clothes there as well. some storage down below for your suitcases or whatever it may be. Also got a mirror, some hooks, and a bit more storage that side as we enter into the bathroom. Thetford toilet, a little bit of storage up there. Sink with, again, some more storage. Nice mirror, some more storage there. And then fairly large shower in here as well. So this van is listed for £6,500. You can tow away with it today if you wished. If you'd like to know anything else about this caravan though, don't hesitate to call, email, or check us out on our socials. I've been Henry, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!